Hey guys, it's Haya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a tutorial on this halo eye makeup look. I'm not sure what I'm going to be calling this yet, but I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I got this palette for Christmas, and shout out to my mom for being the real MVP and getting me this because I absolutely love it. This has quickly become one of my all-time favorite palettes, and I've been using this a lot. If you want more tutorials on more wearable looks than what I have on my eyes right now, then please do let me know, because usually I don't wear this out. This is just for like a little photo shoot thing I'm doing, but if you do want more wearable looks with this, do let me know. Also, if you're new to this and you're like, Hiya, where the heck did all your hair go? That's probably because you haven't seen my last video. I'll leave a link to the video down in the description bar below, but basically I chopped all my hair off. I have a pixie cut now. So yeah, also excuse my hair because I'm still experimenting with it and I'm still like, you know, discovering looks and things I could do with this. So yeah, I'm not sure if I like this look or not, but I guess I'll find out when I watch this video as I'm editing it. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more makeup tutorials and more things from me, right? Yep. And if you want to find out how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. In today's video, I'm going to be filming a tutorial using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So this is what it looks like. Honestly, in my opinion, this is the prettiest naked palette out there. I don't like the naked one. I don't like the naked 2. I'm alright with the naked 3, but it's like, I still wouldn't buy it for myself. But when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. It's freaking gorgeous. I've been using it non-stop ever since I got it. It's one of my current favorites, which I should really film a current favorites video because I haven't had one up in so long. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to be using the Benefit Boing Concealer, and this is in the shade 01. This is super light, so it's going to have like, you know, a nice base so that all the colors can look bright and stuff. I'm gonna set that with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. I'm gonna take the light shade. This duo is in the shade Dulce de Leche. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so you can see my eyeshadow. To start off, for my transition shade, I'm gonna be taking the shade Low Glow right here with a big fluffy brush. And I'm gonna put this all over my crease. These shadows blend in so freaking nicely and really fast as well. Like, they just all blend together super nicely, and there's always like a wonderful gradient going on when I use this palette. Next up, I'm going to be taking a tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade He Devil. I am going to apply this in my crease, and I'm going to really focus it on my crease. I'm going to be applying this as well on my inner and outer corners to create that halo effect, you know. There's a flying freaking spider or ant. Bruh. Next up, I'm going to be taking the brush thing that the palette comes with, and I'm gonna take the more flatter fluffy side. With this brush, I'm gonna be taking the shade In Fuego and mixing that with Ashes a bit. Oh, I'm gonna mostly focus that in Fuego though. I'm gonna put this in my outer corner as well as my inner corner and a tiny bit on my crease to deepen up the look and everything. This looks really bad right now. I'm gonna go in with the tapered blending brush and just blend the crease. I'm gonna go into the shade Sauced and just blend everything that's above my crease for a more blended look. I've never cut my halo eyes, but today I'm gonna be cutting my halo eye. I'm gonna take the Boing Concealer because it's the first thing I found in front of me, so why not? And I'm gonna take a e.l.f. eyeliner brush, but it's kind of squared, so it's really nice for cutting the crease. And I'm gonna cut the center of this for the halo eye. think that's a bit big. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into the shade Lumber. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Scorched and mix that with Lumber because I don't like the way this looks alone. I'm going to take the brush that it comes with once again and I'm going to go into the shade Fuego and just blend in the sides with the shimmer shades. I'm going to take the tighter side of this brush and I'm going to take the shade Fuego. I'm going to mix that with Ashes and I'm just going to really focus that on the outer and inner corner. I am going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back for the rest of my makeup. Honestly, I know it looks weird, but it's gonna get better. So let's do the face makeup and then we'll get back to the eyes. So to prime my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm going to put this all over my face. And then on my nose area, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. I'm focusing the Pore Eraser Primer only on my nose because that is where I have, you know, the most pores that show. What's the word? That's where most of my pores appear to be. I'm going to put a little bit on my chin as well. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. This is in the shade 200 and Y245, Y245, whatever it is. I feel like I haven't used this foundation in quite some time, actually. Also, I found out that Makeup Forever is not cruelty free. So after I run out of this foundation, I can't get another one, which makes me really sad. I'm so sorry, I forgot that the AC is on and the sound was interrupting the video, but it's off now. Oh yeah, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Radiant Concealer. When blending out my concealer, I'm also like kind of dragging it out to the side to clean up my eyeshadow look. I recently got the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Powder, so I'm gonna use this to set my face. And guys, this thing is so freaking expensive and I don't understand why. I mean, it is really good. I gotta give it that. I tried it for the first time on my prom night. I'm using this powder today specifically because I'm taking pictures and this looks really nice in pictures and it doesn't give like flashback. At least when I wore it, it didn't. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder in the shade Warm Light. When I use this powder, I like to go in with a dense brush because it's so hard to pick up the powder from this, but it's also really nice and radiant, like it's a very radiant powder. To contour my face, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the shade Light to Medium. And I'm going to take the shade Fawn to blend out my cheekbone contour, which is looking nasty. Wow. I'm gonna use this buffing brush from Real Techniques. Next, I'm gonna contour my nose and I'm gonna use the same shade. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop blush in the shade Drop of a Hat. This was from their Peach collection, I believe. I could be wrong, but this is just such a beautiful blush, especially like if you're tan. This blush kind of has a glow as well, so if you're going for a dewy look and you use this, it's gonna look super, super cute. For eyes, I am going to be taking this pencil brush and I'm gonna go back into my Naked Heat palette because that's what we're using today. And I'm gonna go into the shade Low Blow. Next, I'm gonna be taking the shade Fuego and mixing it with Ashes, and I'm gonna put that 1/4 of the way in of my lower lash line to deepen up the look. Actually, I'm gonna go all out and I'm just gonna put it all over. But I'm gonna apply these two shades a lot tighter to my lash line in comparison to Low Blow, so you'll be able to see the difference. Next up, I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna be using mascara. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic. I don't know if this is like the Lash Paradise, but like the Middle Eastern version, because it literally has the same exact brush. I kind of want my eyes to pop out, so I'm gonna be using a nude eyeliner. This is the one from Rimmel. I kind of want to use my Glow Kit. Okay, I'm gonna be using my Glow Kit. Surprise, surprise. I'm gonna be mixing the shades Marshmallow and Gumdrop just because I feel like Gumdrop looks really nice with this look. Oh, I'm gonna go kind of crazy with my highlight today. I'm gonna put a bit of the highlight on my inner corners as well. I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut, I believe. Yup. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Lime Crime liquid lipstick in the shade Riot. So I know it's a bit dramatic. I'm not a huge fan of this lip. Actually, I'm gonna make it look lighter. I'm gonna put some of MAC's Honey Love. So that is it for today's video. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want me to film more tutorials, preferably more wearable tutorials, using this palette, please do leave a comment down below and do say whether you want it to be like dramatic or a wearable look, so that I know what to create for you guys. I recently got the Soft Glam palette as well, so if you want a look with this as well, give this video a thumbs up. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My user is at Hayamurad with 2 Ds. It'll be somewhere on the screen. I hope you guys have a great day and keep smiling. Bye!